Hi, I am Amit Arora. Having spent 23 years in the Indian wood panel industry has made me identify trends, gaps, and potential opportunities that will open up in the near future. Working as a door manufacturer and then also a marketing professional with Accentessa, one of the leading players of MDF in India has made me see both the sides of the table. And Fusion Group is a blend of these two important phases of my life. Our mission is evolution of the door manufacturing industry in India by introducing novel processes, economic raw material, and sourcing futuristic technology and global expertise. Fusion Group is divided into three specialized categories: fusion coatings and trading activities, which will providing the raw material for the door manufacturers, trading of semi-finished and finished doors, searching new and innovative raw material internationally focused on the requirement of the door industry in India, selling specialized coatings for HDF, MDF surfaces to the door industry. Second vertical is Fusion Doors, which will be setting up a door manufacturing plant in India. And the third one is Fusion Associates, the proposed licensing entity for Dongba Group, manufacturer of MDF, HDF in Malaysia. So after a brief introduction of the Fusion Group, let's talk about the SWOT analysis of the Dongba Group and the Fusion Group as per the Indian market. So here are the strengths. The main requirement: hardwood, which is the best raw material to manufacture MDF, HDF, is available in Malaysia and not in India. Dongba Group is well equipped to meet the desired standard specification as per the requirement of the Indian door manufacturer. This is the technical specification sheet showing the most demanded physical properties by the Indian door manufacturers. 4 physical properties are going to play a major role in Indian market. First, density of the product. Second, water absorption. Third, thickness swelling. And the last one is 4-hour boiling test. And next is Fusion Group's in-depth knowledge of the Indian door industry. We would like to share some facts and data about the door industry. Monthly, 2.8 million doors are produced with a turnover of around $620 million per month. Annual size of Indian door market is more than $7,440 million per annum. Approximately 1,800 door manufacturers are scattered at various places of the country. And here is the breakup of types of doors produced in India. Flush doors, 2.04 million, which is 73% of the market size. HDF molded doors, 0.17 million, which is 6%. Veneer door, 0.34 million, which is 12%. Total 2.55 million doors being produced in India, which is in unfinished stage. Now, factory finished laminated door is 0.14 million, which is 5%. Membrane door is 0.05, which is 2%. And solid door is around 0.06, which is 2%. And here is a small video to show how flush doors are manufactured in India. First they put veneer, then a wooden core, usually made from poplar, rubber or other mixed species of woods. Then a frame with the filler is put on top of it. Again, the core and the veneer are put on the top to complete the sandwich construction, after which it is hot pressed and this raw door is ready to be dispatched. Now, what we will do is replace the traditional raw material, that is core veneer, with the new raw material, which is HMR HDF. And this is why the door manufacturer will choose our product. Door manufacturers are on the lookout for such material which can be semi-finished or finished at a low cost. Their profit margins will increase as value addition can be done at the low cost on the HDF surface, which is not possible in the traditional raw material. Due to the market demand of speeding up the site completion, the builder prefers semi-finished or finished doors to be installed directly at the site. Manpower can be reduced with the capacity of the production going up with the introduction of this new raw material, which is HDF surface. Door sizes vary as per the site in India. So the door needs to be trimmed from the sides during installation because this HDF surface door can be semi-finished very economically. Hence, they can be trimmed and finished at the site itself and installed easily. Prices of finished surface doors in India are relatively very high in comparison to these HDF semi-finished or finished surface doors. The door manufacturer can produce a range of products using the single raw material HDF. Cutting down the inventory cost, he can manufacture the following range of doors: CNC carving doors in many designs, white primer flush doors in semi-finished stage, HDF surface doors to paste veneer or laminate for the better finish. Also, The landing price of HDF or MDF from Dongwa to India is lesser than sourcing it from Indian MDF manufacturer in coastal areas. But having said that, the cost accumulate to be on the higher side when inland transportation is required. And here is the costing sheet for this. Cost from Indian manufacturer is around $453 per CBM for 3 mm HMR grade MDF. Now if I compare this with Dongwa HMR grade, the price is around $315 per CBM. We need to add 20% duty, which is around $63 per CBM. Totally it comes to around $378 per CBM. If we add the freight, which is around $57 for the port areas, the total comes to $435 per CBM for the areas which are in the ports. But for the inland area in which we need to pay the inland haulage, the price will become $473 if we add $95 as an inland haulage freight. Dongwa Group manufactured MDF is more advantageous as compared to the Indian manufactured MDF in context of size and volume, and I think this sheet explains it all. If you see the dimension being produced by Indian MDF manufacturer, it's not as per the demand of the Indian door manufacturer. Only one company by the name of Green Panel is making the size which is viable for the Indian door manufacturers. Now talking about the dimension, here is the detailed chart of dimension-wise consumption of MDF, HDF by the Indian door industry, and the size of sheets produced by Dongwa is perfect for optimum utilization for the door manufacturer with minimum wastage. In length, under 2150 mm it is 99%, under 2450 it is 1%. If we talk about width, the bathroom size in India is around 650 to 690 mm. For balcony door, the width is 700 to 750 mm. If we talk about the bedroom size, the width is around 800 to 860 mm. If we talk about the bedroom door, the size is 900 mm to 950 mm. And if we talk about the main door, the size varies from 900 mm to 1080 mm. And all this is equal to around 70% of the share of the total door market size.
Here is a small example. If the size of motherboard is 2500 mm by 2150 mm, it can be divided in the desired width. So the final result is 3 pieces of door surface in desired width by Indian door manufacturer. Minimum wastage from Dongwa HDF will make us in demand in Indian market. He can have various combination of width from the same size. Other motherboard size of Dongwa is 1850 by 2150 mm, from which he can get 2 pieces of 2150 by 925 mm with no wastage.
The good news is that the Indian door manufacturing industry is growing at a speedy pace of 30 to 35% per annum. And the Fusion Group comes with an experience to build a strong technical team to educate door manufacturer in India to use HDF or MDF as a surface. Now talking about few weaknesses that we need to address. Dongwa has the exposure of working with only the traders of India. As the Indian businessmen prefer doing business in proximity, so absence of a local face for the door manufacturer to procure from, share feedback, discuss the problem and seek expertise from is a gap that needs to be fulfilled. Limited understanding of the demographical and regional market leaders. Absence of licensing office in India result in having no loyal channel partners to meet smaller MOQ, so losing out on a larger chunk of the market. Well, but the road is nice and smooth ahead. Talking about opportunities now. Cashing on to the first mover advantage by introducing good quality HDF in the required size of the Indian door industry. The ever-growing demand of the finished and semi-finished doors that save time and money for the real estate project will automatically shift the door manufacturers' interest towards us. So here is the overview of the Indian MDF market size to showcase the progressive growth. The consumption of the MDF in the Indian market per year is $277 million per year. The market size of the consumption of India per day for the MDF is 2,500 CBM per day, in which if I compare imported versus Indian share, 55 to 60% is domestic and 40% is imported. Thick MDF versus thin MDF consumption, it is around 65% for the thick MDF and 35% for the thin MDF. Now, if I talk about overall the plywood market size of India is $3,077 million per year, and MDF is still 9% of the market share of the plywood market. The particle board market size of India is $260 million per year. Also, with the government introducing almost 100 smart cities across India, the need to fulfill huge quantities of doors within a short timeline will make us a priority for the door manufacturers. And to know more about the smart city concept, you can log on to smartcities.gov.in. Well, there aren't many threats to speak of. Just one. India is a very price sensitive market, so in the initial stage, we might need to work on the thin margins. Now, let me tell you why Fusion Associates in India. In-depth knowledge of the overall Indian door industry. Fusion Associate is well versed with competition, challenges, and shortcoming, taking your brand directly to the consumer without marking up the initial price of the product, providing expert backup to the consumer regarding service, queries, and educating him, making the consumer switch from the traditional door making techniques to this new age process, timely updates regarding the needs, seasons, festivals, and other internal inputs, synergizing all the government departments for smooth operation of business. Also, encouraging the door manufacturer to increase transactions with Dongua in order to maximize his profit by getting the material at a low landing cost as per the Asian-Indian Free Trade Agreement. We will play a vital role in the selection of hot selling thickness to be stocked in India for the channel partners to invest in. So that will be all. Please feel free to contact us for any queries and looking forward to hear from you. Thank you.